What items can be found in the Surviveware Compact First Aid Kit?
The kit comes with 100 different items, and I'm quickly going to give you a run through of exactly what those items are.
Starting on the left, we've got hypoallergenic tape. We've got 20 standard adhesive bandages, quality 6-inch trauma shears, tweezers, 2 splinter probes, a CPR kit, and this contains a one-way mask, gloves, a non-alcoholic wipe, and also instructions for child and baby CPR as well as adult CPR. We've got a few safety pins over here, and in the middle, which is the utility pocket, add whatever you want there. We've included an emergency whistle, a basic tourniquet, 10 Q-tips. Moving to the right, you've got itemized list of all of the supplies inside. In the pressure bandage sleeve, you've got a pressure bandage and a conforming bandage. In the skin cleaning wipe section, you've got this baggie. It contains 3 alcohol wipes, 3 sting relief wipes, and 3 non-alcoholic wet wipes. In this section over here, you've got iPads and a cotton gauze swab. In the wound closures, we've got a lot of different adhesive bandages as well as strip wound closures. And right at the back, you've got your triangular bandage as well as an emergency blanket. In the front, you've got these baggies made for your personal medication that each person has, and since each person is unique. And that's what's included. I've created a detailed list of what you can find in each of the laminate bags, since there are a few of each item in these bags.